Top 5 superfoods that boost energy in seniors and stantal. Feeling a bit worn out these days? It's a common story as we get older. Our metabolism slows, and energy starts to dip, sometimes without us even realizing it. For many seniors, fatigue becomes a constant companion, quietly affecting everything from mood to memory. Nearly half of adults over 60 share this experience, and it can make even the simplest daily tasks feel overwhelming. But here's something to hold on to. You don't have to accept this slow fade of energy as your new normal. Nature has gifted us some incredible superfoods that can gently but powerfully recharge your body, without relying on caffeine or complicated pills. These 5 superfoods don't just give you a quick jolt. They nourish your brain, muscles, and heart, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to embrace the day. Curious about what's on the list? Some might surprise you, like tiny seeds packed with big benefits, or creamy treats that help fight fatigue. And trust me, number 4 is a delicious little snack you'll want to make a daily habit. Before we dive in, thank you for taking these few minutes with us. Watching these videos is like giving your health a little insurance. Simple steps that protect you and your loved ones from common illnesses. If you find this helpful, please do like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on daily tips that can save you trips to the doctor and unnecessary expenses. Let's start with chia seeds. Small but mighty, these little gems are often overlooked, yet they're bursting with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, nutrients that support your heart and keep your mind sharp. If lately you've been feeling foggy or sluggish, chia seeds might just be what your body's been quietly asking for. Here's the catch many don't see. When your diet lacks fiber and omega-3s, inflammation can creep in. That leads to tiredness and brain fog, which makes it tougher for your body to absorb the nutrients it needs. It's a cycle that quietly drains your energy. You might notice it as muscle weakness, forgetfulness, or even mood swings, symptoms that can sneak up slowly but affect your daily life. And it's not just about feeling tired. Low omega-3 and fiber intake can impact your heart rhythm, nerve health, and digestion, making it harder for your body to heal and keep pace. So how do chia seeds help? They boost your energy by supporting how your cells produce ADP, the fuel your body runs on. They calm inflammation, improve how your body handles insulin, and protect both your brain and heart with their powerful antioxidants. Want to give them a try? Whip up a simple chia pudding with Greek yogurt and fresh berries for breakfast, or sprinkle some over salads and smoothies. Feeling fancy? Try chia-crusted salmon with a lemon dill sauce for a meal that tastes as good as it feels. If supplements are more your style, choose organic chia powder or whole seeds. They're easier for your body to absorb. But watch out for processed chia products with added sugars. Those can do more harm than good. Also, be mindful of too much caffeine and processed foods. They can block your body from absorbing the good stuff chia seeds provide. Adding chia seeds to your routine could be a small change with a big impact, giving you more energy and clearer focus day after day. If this sounds good, please like our channel, subscribe, and hit the bell. And if you're already part of our community, thank you for your support. It truly keeps us going. Next up, quinoa, a versatile grain that's been nourishing people for centuries. If it's not yet on your plate, now's the time to discover why it deserves a spot in your diet. Quinoa is a complete protein packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all essential for seniors looking to maintain muscle strength and heart health. For those over 60, it can be a game changer in how you feel every day. Here's something to consider. When your protein and fiber intake dips, muscle weakness and sluggish digestion can follow, leading to fatigue and longer recovery times. That makes it tougher to stay active, creating a cycle that drags your energy down. You might feel weaker than usual, bloated, or notice your digestion slowing. Brain fog and low stamina can also creep in when your body isn't getting what quinoa offers. These signs often start small, but can add up before you realize it. But quinoa's magic doesn't stop there. When your body misses out on good protein and fiber, it can affect more than just muscles. It can throw off your nerves, your heart's rhythm, and even your immune defenses. Without enough of these nutrients, your body's ability to heal and recover slows down, making it tougher to bounce back from the everyday stresses life throws your way. So what does quinoa actually do inside your body? It's like fuel for muscle repair, thanks to its complete amino acids. It supports a healthy gut with its fiber, helps balance your blood sugar, and keeps hormones steady so your energy doesn't crash during the day. Looking for easy ways to enjoy it? Try mixing quinoa into a fresh salad with almonds and berries, or warm up a comforting quinoa porridge topped with creamy Greek yogurt. Feeling adventurous? Quinoa-stuffed bell peppers make a nutrient-packed dinner that's as delicious as it is good for you. If supplements suit your lifestyle, quinoa protein powder is a fine choice. But nothing beats eating whole quinoa regularly for the best digestion and nutrient absorption. Just be careful to avoid quinoa products loaded with salts or preservatives that can undo the good it does. Watch out too for too many refined carbs and sugary snacks. They interfere with your body's ability to make the most of quinoa's nutrients, stealing your energy rather than boosting it. Adding quinoa to your meals could be the natural lift your muscles and mind have been craving to keep you feeling strong and energized every day. Now, let's talk about Greek yogurt. That creamy, tangy delight many of you probably already love, but may not realize just how much it supports your energy and health, especially after 60. Greek yogurt isn't just a tasty snack. It's a real powerhouse packed with high-quality protein and probiotics. For seniors, it quietly works behind the scenes, helping maintain muscle strength and keeping your gut happy. If you've been feeling low on energy or struggling with digestion, this might be exactly the boost your body needs. Here's the pattern many don't notice. Not enough protein and an imbalance of gut bacteria can lead to muscle loss and digestive troubles. That fatigue sets in, your immunity weakens, and your body struggles to recover. It's a cycle that can keep spinning if left unchecked. You might feel muscle weakness, bloating, irregular digestion, mood swings, or even brain fog creeping in, signs that can be easy to miss at first but become hard to ignore over time. But it's not just about feeling tired. Low protein and poor gut health can disrupt your nerves, hormones, and even your heart function. Over time, this imbalance slows healing and stirs up inflammation. What does Greek yogurt do? It gives your muscles the protein they need to stay strong and recover, promotes healthy gut bacteria that improve digestion and immunity, and supports hormone balance to keep your energy steady throughout the day. Try it topped with chia seeds and fresh berries for a simple breakfast, or blend it into smoothies and dressings for a creamy boost. For something special, Greek yogurt parfaits with nuts and honey make a delightful treat. If you prefer supplements, choose probiotic-rich Greek yogurt brands without added sugars or artificial flavors. Steer clear of sweetened flavored yogurts that can worsen energy slumps. And watch your intake of processed foods and excess caffeine. They can upset your gut and block the benefits Greek yogurt offers. Making Greek yogurt a part of your daily routine could be the easy, natural step that fuels your muscles, calms your digestion, and lifts your energy day after day. Next, almonds. The crunchy little nuts that are much more than just a tasty snack. If you're over 60 and finding yourself feeling drained, almonds might be the simple, natural energy booster your body's been waiting for. Why almonds? They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, all essential for keeping your heart strong, your brain sharp, and your muscles energized. When these nutrients drop, many seniors don't realize how much their energy and focus suffer. Here's the cycle to watch for. Not enough healthy fats and vitamin E can cause brain fog and muscle weakness. This leads to tiredness and slower recovery, making it harder to stay active, and the cycle keeps going. You might notice fatigue, trouble concentrating, muscle cramps, or mood swings creeping in when your body isn't getting enough of what almonds provide. These signs can develop slowly, but have a real impact on your quality of life. But it's more than just feeling tired. Low vitamin E and healthy fats can harm your nerves, heart, and skin, and slow how your cells repair. Over time, this can drag down your overall health and energy. So what do almonds do for you? They act like antioxidants, protecting your cells, support healthy nerve function, balance your hormones, and provide steady energy by keeping your blood sugar level stable. 4 easy ways to enjoy almonds. Snack on a handful raw, add them to your morning oatmeal, or toss sliced almonds into salads. For a special meal, try almond-crusted chicken or fish, a delicious way to pack in nutrients. If supplements work for you, look for high-quality almond oil or almond protein powders for better absorption. But remember, eating whole almonds regularly is best. Avoid salted or roasted versions that add unnecessary sodium. Be careful with sugary snacks and processed foods. They can sap your energy and block the amazing benefits almonds bring to your body. But here's the good news. Simply adding almonds to your daily routine might be the natural, easy change that helps keep your mind sharp and your energy flowing strong. Now let's talk about berries. Those vibrant little bursts of flavor that do so much more than just taste delicious. If you're over 60 and feeling worn down, berries could be the tasty superfood you've been missing to recharge your energy and protect your health. Berries quietly support seniors by delivering antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, all essential for fighting inflammation and keeping your brain and heart healthy. If you've noticed feeling sluggish or forgetful lately, berries might be exactly what your diet needs. Here's the tricky cycle many face. When antioxidants and fiber run low, inflammation rises, brain function slows down, fatigue sets in, and memory lapses follow. This makes it harder for your body to repair itself, and the cycle just keeps repeating. You might experience tiredness, poor memory, mood swings, or digestive troubles when your body lacks the nutrients berries provide. These symptoms often build gradually, but can seriously affect your daily life. But berries do much more than fight fatigue. They protect your nerves, improve blood flow to your brain and heart, and support hormone balance. Without enough of these nutrients, the risk of chronic illnesses can increase over time. Inside your body, berries neutralize harmful free radicals with antioxidants, reduce inflammation, support healthy digestion thanks to fiber, and enhance brain signals for better focus and mood. For simple ways to enjoy them, add fresh or frozen berries to your morning cereal, Greek yogurt, or smoothies. Feeling fancy? A mixed berry salad with almonds and a drizzle of honey makes a delightful treat. If you prefer supplements, look for high-quality berry extracts rich in anthocyanins. But remember, eating whole, fresh berries is always best. Avoid berry-flavored products packed with added sugars. They can do more harm than good. Also, watch your intake of processed snacks and excess alcohol, which can increase inflammation and weaken the benefits berries offer. Including berries in your diet could be the delicious, natural way to boost your energy and keep your mind sharp every single day. As we age, losing muscle and energy isn't just about feeling weaker. It's about holding on to your independence and living life fully on your own terms. But here's the empowering truth. You have the power to take control right now. Making smart, simple choices every day, like adding these superfoods to your meals, can help you stay strong, active, and vibrant for many years to come. If this video has been helpful, and you want more science-backed tips to boost your health and energy, please like and subscribe. We're here every day to share easy, trusted advice to support you on your journey to feeling your very best. Now, take a moment and ask yourself, what small change can you start today to feel stronger tomorrow? Are you ready to reclaim your energy and independence? Remember, it's never too late to make a positive difference in your life.